Hi there, it's Kate Beaters, your Breakthrough Success Expert, and I love to share different tools and resources that I use for both my own personal success and things I pass along to my clients. So today I want to talk to you about my favorite famous glass jar, right? You may have seen me, if you've been following me in the past, you may have seen me talk about this before. I use it every year, so you can see, oops, there we go. And I use that to help me as I move forward. Over the years, I've used it for different things. Sometimes I put notes in of appreciation, all different things that just kind of feel good. And then I periodically go back through and see what I've written. And it helps me to stay focused and remind myself of all I'm accomplishing. Well, this year I decided, being that I am a bit of an impatient person, I admit it, I'm a bit of an overachiever, type A, all this kind of stuff left over from corporate. When you have those personality traits, we want success, we want it to happen faster, and sometimes we forget that the real joy is in the journey. It's a big law of attraction expression. And the whole purpose, the whole success is the journey. It's not really the end result. However, it's easy to lose track and just say, but this thing I want, it's way over there and I'm still here, and will it ever happen? And we forget all the changes that we are making as we go along in the journey. So this year, what I decided to do is I wanted to track all my breakthroughs. And so that's what I put in this glass jar I showed you just now. And some of them are breakthroughs that I might have had in the past, maybe I forgot, and some are brand new breakthroughs. And then I periodically go back and read through them, and it reminds me just of how many shifts and changes and reframes I've had since just the year began. So let me share one with you of what I did. Let's see, so you can see I've got different colors. So this is, I wrote, just because I can, doesn't mean I have to. I choose where, what, and how to get involved. I protect my pie. So what is my pie? My pie is another breakthrough like this, that I divide up my pie of what's most important to me. So I put here, I decide how to divide my pie, and it's my choice. So I put in that pie, it's got different sections, and it's up to me what those sections are. Your sections may be very different. Maybe you've got family and work and home, or community or religion or whatever the heck your pie is. And this, just reminding myself of this, gave me so much power, because I get called quite frequently, like, hey, can you do this? Or, hey, can you help with that? Or what about this? Or, or sometimes just on my own, I'll say, oh, I'll help you, but my pie is only so big, and I'd rather use my brilliance on what matters most to me. So that's one of the things that I have in my pie. I have all sorts of different cool things. I'm really into decluttering. That's part of my life right now for the last, five or so years. And I have a lot of decluttering breakthroughs and all sorts of stuff. Just things both personally and professionally are all in that jar. I recommend go out, get a jar, like I have, or go get, a bowl or a dish or something, and put, your breakthroughs that you're having, put those in, as you have your breakthroughs, just to remind yourself, like, wow, look what I've accomplished. I'm doing this and this and this that I no longer was doing before. And it's a great reminder, because again, we lose track. We see we're here and we want to be here, and it just seems like the distance is forever. And as long as we can keep reminding ourselves, like, look, but I've accomplished this and this and this and this and this while I'm on the journey, and just how much better you feel, makes you happier and more lit up and more excited and energized and focused and creative and successful, all those really good things, the more likely you are to reach that ultimate goal and to keep setting more and more goals. It raises your confidence level. So many good things happen as a result. So I'd love to hear, what you end up doing with your jar, and please share that with me. And if I can help you take this deeper so you have even more breakthroughs, please reach out to my team, info@katebeaters.com. And until we meet again, be brilliant.